Run. He likes to run in the park every morning to stay fit. The children ran to catch the school bus. Read. She loves to read mystery novels in her free time. I read the newspaper every morning to stay updated on current events. Eat. They decided to eat pizza for dinner tonight. He usually eats a healthy salad for lunch. Write. She spent hours writing a heartfelt letter to her friend. He wrote a detailed report for his supervisor. Speak. She can speak 3 languages fluently. He hesitated to speak in front of a large audience. Dance. They danced all night at the wedding celebration. She took dance lessons to improve her skills. Sleep. After a long day, he fell asleep within minutes of getting into bed. The baby finally slept through the night. Sing. She has a beautiful voice and loves to sing in the choir. He sang a psalm for his sister's birthday. Jump. The athlete can jump over 2 meters in the high jump. The kids jumped with joy when they heard the news. Swim. They often go to the beach to swim in the ocean. She learned how to swim at a young age. Play. The children played in the park until the sun went down. He plays the guitar in a local band. Draw. She enjoys drawing portraits of people she meets. He drew a detailed map to help them find their way. Cook. He decided to cook a special meal for his family on their anniversary. She enjoys experimenting with different cuisines in the kitchen. Talk. They sat down to talk about their plans for the upcoming trip. The teacher talked to the students about the importance of education. Drive. She learned how to drive when she turned 18. He drove for hours to reach the remote countryside. Clean. They spent the weekend cleaning the entire house. She likes to clean and organize her workspace before starting a new project. Listen. He listened carefully to the instructions before starting the task. She enjoys listening to classical music in her free time. Work. He works at a busy law firm in the city. She worked hard to complete the project before the deadline. Exercise. They exercise at the gym 3 times a week to stay healthy. She enjoys doing yoga for relaxation and flexibility. Study. He stayed up late to study for his final exams. She decided to study psychology in college because she finds it fascinating. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more videos on YouTube and Facebook.